Yabona la ngathi sizoba nenkinga encane la. Sizoba nenkinga encane. Kabelo Khositsile. Kuhamba abanye kuvumbuka abanye. Ayikho lento ePirates. Ayikho ngikutshele mina. Kodwa ke as a football fan, I can't wait to watch this boy Kabelo Khositsile. Likhona ibhola labafana. Likhona ibhola labafana and I know ukuthi uzoyithola game time. Ngibone ucoach Abdeslam Wadu ashaya izandla when he took one of the players on and won a foul and won a free kick. Izinto coach Abdeslam ayithandayo lezi. We are about to see Khositsile ball and into emnandi we will be there. So esikhona awuthi
this boy Khositsile comes second half.
Yeah, I was coming there. My next question was about him. Khositsile. They signed him last season from Ibaroka, but they loaned him back to Ibaroka. But this season, it seems like he's also gotten the jersey number. Got his debut for Orlando Pirates. Because he didn't even go to Spain. But he was in the 18-man squad. In the 20-man squad. What did you make of him, Khositsile?
Sometimes it's not. Angazi ngabe kanjani ukuthi umfana kayanga Spain. Uthola ukuthi ngale game le bebasafuna ukubona ukuthi okay sharp njengoba ngangephi Spain ifaka sinike lento esifunayo mhlambe kule game okanye 2 games to give him 2 games loan him again but baqinisile bathi akusi important uqala ngakhona you understand the way you finish ngakhona kusho ukuthi finishing and here important kakhulu. This boy for me exciting player une speed football intelligent petty footwork ngibone nengcondo ikhona kunebhola laba bambi offside. I don't understand the lineman look heavy. Ngikhuluma ngo lineman look heavy ube straight nalomfana kamuvanga neplay offside le mangabheka irun nalomfana eshayile.
He got a few right but he got I think a couple wrong.
Mina lomfana lo ngizomdlalisa ke season yakhe. Keep him at a very important player for Orlando Pirates. I come as an impact player cause uphethe no quick nyana iplay njengaleli liyangena sekona for uqala game depending ukuthi bamqala njani but lo mfana uzoyinceda Orlando Pirates this season. Very important player for me and exciting. I'm very excited ngifuna ngambona vele before bamloko I think went to Baroque and stuff but exciting player. I understand ama player ngithi athatha isikhathi ukujela but le Shane is another talent that I can't wait kumbukela ku Orlando Pirates.
You Booty ha inkhumbuzo sale kubafana yo ayi quick yeah that's you want to know with the guidance of Murim and Police umthana anga overdo izinto 1-2 stave then I release abafana sawudlanga le Khoitsile hayi yeza abafana lizinyo liqaqambayo
Kabelo Khositsile angani noma ngipronounce kahle but Kabelo Khosi ngizothi Khosi. What is that? Like if it's future bright lana if it's yalazi lesani ibhola vethu ifanele winger exciting ukuthi ibuke vethu is giving me ama vibes osalengi like unkothe safika vethu is giving me lawo ma vibes vethu like right winger ePirates is terrifying to watch. Mina ngiyasaba dog. This guy is gonna cook. I mean obviously kuzobele phela na ekhiphe bethi lontuza momentum le yaqale ngayo mfethu aqhubeke njalo uzoba ngena la ku BT Premiership. Uyalazi bafana uyalazi la ngenhla lesani le yes future bafana ibright man hey bafana hey
ya makhelwane Sithemba uthi uyayibona imphumela yami yanamhlanje le yangazi ihlelo zakho mhlawumbe zijabule ukudlula mina hayi ngithi akusendela baphezulu ukuthi 31 October owabambela umagama Tsoni Khositsile Kapa abanye vumbuka abanye bafana kathi ngeke uzongiqede mina ukhumbule futhi ukuthi ngomhla 31 October kuyobe sokhona nomzala kaHaaland lo bengekho namhlanje ngithi nje ibambe kanjalo mhla 31 makhelwane mhla 31
I wasn't familiar with your game. I've been hearing about Khositsile, right, but I've never watched him play, right, up until today. This is how you introduce yourself to a new coach. More than anything, when he gives you an opportunity, show him that you can offer more. And he certainly showed everyone in Orlando today that he has so much more to offer. I love wingers like this, brother, that are direct, that have the skill to take on defenders. We need something like this. And this is what I appreciate about the Orlando Pirates. We have continued from where we left off last season, right? We are just simply adding right now. So everyone who comes into our team understands that there is a standard. There is a minimum that you have to give. I'm very happy, Ngalentwana. I mean, I am very, very happy with his profile as a winger. Exciting to watch, man. Competition is very important and we have it.
Kabelo Khositsila hayi ngeke kuhamba omunye kuvumba omunye usesuka phi nje lo usesuka phi lo yabona ke la this is a baller this one would be a star yabona uma engathola game time and I'm sure uzoyiqala and I'm sure usazowaqala kakhulu ngibona ucoach Abdesalam Wadu emshayela ihlombe kakhulu emva ukuthi ethathe onama defenders laphana wathola ifoul okhombisa konke uproud ngaye ungenele wenza lento ade akazoyenza egroundini ufaka ispeed faka ijubane ubagijimisela abantu ubadribble because uyakwazi unaso iskill nangempela umfana wenza njalo wawina free kick wajabula umqeqeshi makujabula umqeqeshi usuqedile uma ujabulisa umqeqeshi usuqedile this boy is a star yes hamba umunye adlala eBelgium nanga umunye uthi vumbu la hayi Orlando Pirates hayi khona
all our faith Joe Mfanami, I was not familiar with your game. Kabelo, I was not familiar with your game, Fanam. Yazi bafethu, Pirates after buying this kid, after like Bamtenga from Le Club Pumaguyo bafethu, then he was loaned back to that club, either in Baroka, and Baroka got relegated from the game. Tepe Foundation to go to the NFD. Lumfana Boya. I was like, Yazin, why Lumfana did not go with the boys to Spain? Nakupi angathi lo abazomrelegate bazom loana futhi obamthengisa abathi listen lumfana la uGrant on his feet uGrant inhliziyo uGrant naye angazi ukuthi inhliziyo ingenaphi mara ngithi uGrant bafa la is most important alomfana umbonisithi lo mfana hey Kabelo I'll be watching you mfana I now have a new favorite player uDancing number 1 Number 2, Ukabelo. My new toys, my new favorite toys. Lava itu lava fetu. Abafe bambonisi lomfana. Lomfana bafetu. Lomfana around it. He goes straight to the defenders bafetu. Ufuna bonisi. If it wasn't for that tackle, our pants. Amfana lomfana nazo dlul. Kabelo. I'm familiar with your game, Fanam. I'm Mfanami. Minister of 2K. Minister, not president. President Ukona, no more Hambi, but Ukona, Minister of 2K. Mfanam, I was not familiar with your game. La, Grand Fanam. So it's that I went out. Also around this ground, even around this, also I get Mfanam.
Many Ruti football is a game of.
Yes, petty. All right.
I missed it.
Yeah, 3 minutes.
Sure.
38 seconds.
Sure.
Game Kali.
Sure.
Densin.
Yeah.
Udlala over i-defense eMilford.
Okay.
For uMuremi.
Yeah.
Unfortunately uMuremi lamshiya ibhola.
Yeah.
Ugoalkeeper weMilford waphuma washaya i-diving header.
Sure.
Siyabuya second half.
Yeah.
uSiyema.
Yeah.
Wenza the very same thing ebenza ubani uDensin.
Yeah.
Udlala over i-defense yani yeMilford.
Sure.
Unfortunately this time around uMuremi utime irun yakhe.
Kamnandi.
Thatha ibhola qeda ngani qeda ngogoalkeeper udla ini inet. Same ball edlala uDensin.
Yeah.
3 minutes 38 seconds.
Yeah.
Liyafana nebhola edlala ubani uSiyema. Football is a game of patterns. All right. Asiqalelana ke sithini.
Because yaphindwa.
Yeah, asiqalela. There is 4 ways to create a superiority ebholeni.
Okay, explain.
4 ways to create a superiority. For namhlanje sizofocusa kuyi-1. Right? Sizofocusa kwi-positional superiority.
Sure.
If ngithi positional superiority ngiqonda ukuthini? In terms of i-positioning, njengoba sise-groundini angithi wonke umuntu usuke ne-position akusekumele ayidlale.
Sure.
So now if sithi thina we were superior to i-opponent positionally, which means indlela bethi sipositiona ngayo whether defensively or mid or offensively bese better than i-opponent.
Sure.
Asibuyeleni la second goal. uSiyema ukhansela i-through ebidlalwa eMilford.
Sure.
Which means defensively positional base positione grand, right?
Yeah.
And then uma eyiwina wenze njani? Udlala over i-defense yani yeMilford.
Sure.
Udlalela bani? uMuremi. uMuremi naye ubase position grand. Remember 3 minutes 38 seconds ubenga positionanga grand. There is why la bhola lenze njani limshiyile. So now ukwazile ukuthi enze njani azi position grand umuntu oqalile ubani uSiyema was positioner grand and then uMuremi wakhona uthi ebhithe i-offside trap nani ne-speed wadla ini wadla inet isipho so lento lesitshengisile defensively we superior to Milford offensively we superior to Milford omunye umuntu engayitshela ukuthi lento ibe easy or why this time around uMuremi ukuthi afike kulela bhola the reason why uMuremi okanye the reason why uMuremi ekorile today it's because of uKabelo Khositsile omunye umuntu uzothi abathi kanjani because uKabelo bengekho involved alright uKabelo immediately uma eqeda ukintroduce immediately first touch yakhe washa imoto waba i-threat to Milford so now baba nenkinga entsha remember bekade khishwa police right i-first half ka police noMuremi bengekho grand so now uma khishwa police kufaka uKabelo Khositsile i-first touch yakhe uma engena ikhombisa ukuthi uzoba ingozi uyabona i-focus manje iyashifta from uMuremi siya kubani kuKabelo Khositsile ngalesikhathi i-shift yakabelo bayakhohlwa uMuremi the very same Muremi oshaya imoto njengokabelo so now umuntu uyacheka lela goal lesi2 uSiyema maybe inibhola abamchallenge because babheke babheke uKabelo I think around about some player 2 babheke uKabelo no Radio Pan there is why uMuremi ukwazi ukushaya irun behind i-defense yani Milford football is a game of patterns
uthwere Ntshebe kuyakhabula
alright